My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side. Dear brothers and sisters, in the presence of the bridegroom, his guests are happy. So also in the presence of God, his children are happy. In 1 Samuel 6, we read that David danced before the Lord with all his might, wearing a priestly garment. Saul's daughter looked at him with disgust and contempt and complained about the same to him. But David replied, "It was before the Lord who chose me above your father and above all his house, to appoint me as prince over Israel, the people of the Lord, and I will make merry before the Lord." Similarly, we know the incident of John the Baptist in the womb of Elizabeth, leaping for joy. Elizabeth says, "For behold, when the voice of your greeting came to my ears, the babe in my womb leaped for joy." This was also true of Simeon and Anna, who were waiting for Messiah. They too rejoiced in his presence. Again, everyone who encountered Jesus through his word or touch or healing, they all rejoiced because he was with them. It is for this reason that Jesus came into this world, so that we realize that our God is always with us. Jesus even promises that he will be with us to the end of time. Therefore, we are called to be joyful because we are not left alone. He stands at our side even in the most difficult moments. But there are occasions, I believe, when we could in fact question whether he is really with us, especially when we go through difficult moments of life. But here I am reminded of the words of Abraham Lincoln, who said, "My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side." In other words, we need to ask ourselves that God is with us, but are we with our God? Sin is an important enemy that can take us away from God. It creates a block between us and God. It takes the guests from the bridegroom. In such occasions, we need to fast. Fast from actions, words, and desires that are sinful, so that we are once again worthy of being the guest of our bridegroom Jesus. Because it is in him alone that we find true and lasting joy. And he has come to invite all of us to be his guests, to partake of that joy, of that feast.